How do I set up content filtering for my list? LISTSERV offers a filtering template that allows you to enter rules to filter messages based on their content. To configure the content filter, use the List Management menu, click on Mail Templates, and locate a template named Content Filter. This is the template where you'll be entering your filtering rules. Each rule consists of two parts, a pattern and an action. The pattern allows you to check the mail headers, including the sender and subject line, or the message itself for undesirable content that you may want to filter. The action part lets you specify what to do with messages that match the pattern. The patterns are not case sensitive. There are 4 possible actions that can be taken. Allow means that the messages are permitted and all remaining rules are ignored. This option can be used to allow certain senders to bypass all of the filters. Reject means that the message is rejected. LISTSERV will send an automatic email to the person who posted the message with the reason for the rejection. Moderate means that the message is forwarded to the moderators to be manually approved or rejected. Discard means that the message is discarded without notification. So, for example, you can enter a rule that looks at the From field, and if the sender is editor@lsoft.com, then the message is always allowed. You can enter another rule that looks at the subject line. If the subject line contains the words "out of office," then the message is rejected with an automatic email sent to the person saying that out-of-office messages are not allowed on the list. You can also do a rule that checks if the subject line is blank, and if it is, then reject the message with a notice that subject lines are required. You can also look at the content of the message itself, and if it contains the word copyright, for example, then forward it to the moderators for manual approval. Finally, if you want to block a certain sender from posting to the list at all, you can again look at the From field. Enter the email address of the unwanted sender and tell LISTSERV to simply discard all messages from that address. These are just a few simple examples of how the content filter can be used for your list. Thank you for watching.